Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how you can easily batch edit photos on your iPhone 17. So at first you need to go to the photos. Now open your photo and first you have to edit this photo. So let me for example tap here, adjust, do some quick edits so that it will be just noticeable. And tap done. Once you tap done, tap the same three dots again, copy edits. Here as you can see we have adaptive, adjust style, tap copy, and now go to the other image, tap these three dots, paste edits. And here that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.